This week's map, we are going to be focusing on lines that are called parallels and meridians. Of the various ways to view a map, the globe is the most accurate way to show the Earth. Since the Earth is a spherical shape, it only makes sense that a globe is the most accurate tool when looking at our planet. When looking at the globe, we consider everything that is on it, from the continents, oceans, even the lines of latitude and longitude, and how they are all based on two specific points, the North and South Poles. The equator is halfway between the North and South Poles, for example, which are the lines of latitude and lines of longitude. We even use the poles to determine what is up and what is down when locating different places on the Earth. Parallels and meridians are the two different lines that crisscross maps and globes and are used to help locate different places on the Earth. Parallels, or lines of latitude, run east and west and are called parallels because of the different lines of latitude never intersect each other. Meridians, or lines of longitude, run north and south. Longitude lines, however, intersect at the north and south poles. Both types of lines are numbered by degrees and are used to locate specific locations on a globe or map. Both parallel lines and meridians are measured in degrees, like a circle. The equator is 0 degrees latitude and the prime meridian is 0 degrees longitude. Other important places to know on the globe are the North Pole, which is at 90 degrees north latitude, and the South Pole at 90 degrees south latitude. So here, hopefully you understand that we use the fact that the Earth is a globe and how we use degrees like we do in math work together to better understand where things are on Earth.